Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix your phone heating while charging a Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So the first thing that you have to remember and bear in mind that it's completely normal that your phone heats up while charging, using of course fast charging, but it's not normal when your device is overheating while charging. So you need to, just bear in mind that these are two different things. So, if you think that your phone overheats and you do have notifications that your phone overheats, or just feel that something is wrong, and you, for example, don't use fast charging or any other thing, just at first go to the settings of your device. And now, in a moment, go back. Here, we're in the main menu of the settings. You need to go to the battery, and now go here to the battery usage. For example, from today's day. Here, search for the applications that you do have the most usage by here on the day, during the day. And here, if you do have some application you don't recognize, for example, some bloatware, just uninstall these applications in the phone's settings. But if you do have here some Snapchat, TikTok, Messenger, Facebook, and you know that you don't use these applications a lot, just tap on the application. For example, I go to the previous day, where I do have more applications. For example, let it be Me Mover. Here, if you tap it, you can see you can see some additional information. If you see here that you do have a very, very high background usage, you need to now go back. Here, you need to go to the applications, which are, if you are scroll down, apps. Now here, tap the search, and here search for these applications. It was Me Mover. Tap it, scroll down, tap a battery, tap restricted. That's everything you have to do with the applications. Apart from that, make sure that you are using original charger and a cable. If you do use original charger and cable, nothing should be wrong. But if you're using, for example, some from Temu, some from AliExpress, or any other source, these are just not good products that can just explode actually in your bare hands. So I change this products as soon as possible. So apart from that, what I do recommend doing is to avoid your using your device phone while charging. For example, if you're watching TikToks or just surfing internet, or just gaming, don't do that. It's just useless. You can just leave your phone for a while don't doing anything. It's better for the battery, it's better for you, and of course for the heating. And apart from that, here, as I can see, I don't have any case on my device over here. But if you do, just remove the case, because it will improve the heat dissipation actually, and one layer less, it's better. And just for a moment, just for the process of charging. And as the final tip is to charge your phone in a cool and ventilated area. So don't charge your device under a blanket. Don't charge your device under a pillow. Don't charge your device under some cloths, for example, like this. Don't charge your phone in the car, like when the sun is it's summertime and the sun is blowing straight on your windshield and you do feel heating inside your car. Just try to not charge your device when you are here. If you really need your device, charged because you're on a trip or driving somewhere, just either charge your device before a drive, or just plug it into any car charger, and but very, very slow charger. You need to have a slow charger, and this charger won't actually charge your device. It will make your phone in normal state and leave the percentage as it is. you know, it will just, your phone will stay just on 69% without just charging or discharging. And this should help you. It's because the lower power there is, the better it's for your battery. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.